Log into your Make.com or similar account. On the left-hand menu, click Scenarios. Then click Create New Scenario. Click the first module. Type in webhook. Click the webhooks. Click Custom Webhook. Click Add. You can enter in a custom webhook name here. Then click Save. Click Copy Address to Clipboard. This will copy the webhook URL to your clipboard. Then go to the pipeline in your direct messaging system that has the stage you want to add this webhook into. The stage that you want to add the webhook to will be the stage that when a lead enters this stage, the data will be sent to the webhook. For example, when a lead enters the Added to Facebook group stage, I want the data from this lead to be sent to HubSpot. So on the Added to Facebook group stage, I'm going to click the three dots, then click Edit Stage. Click the Triggers tab where it says to enter the webhook URL, enter in the webhook you just copied. The automation that we're building is now listening for data, so we need to give it data to determine the structure. You can do this by clicking the Send Test Data button. Once you get the notification that the test data was sent successfully, you can go back into the scenario we're building. Once you get the notification that the data has been successfully determined, click OK. Click Add Another Module. Type the name of the CRM or app that you want to use in this automation. In my example, I'm using HubSpot, so type in HubSpot. Click HubSpot CRM. In my case, I want to create a contact, so scroll down until you see the option to create a contact. Select this option. If you haven't already, you will need to create a connection between Make and your HubSpot CRM. You can click the Online Help option here if you need support in creating this connection. We will now use the determined data to help fill in these properties. Remember that I'm filling this out as an example. Feel free to adjust what I'm about to walk you through based on your personal needs. Click Add Item. When creating a contact, you typically want first and last name. So I'm going to show you how to add first and last name to your contact when created in HubSpot. Click the key option, type in name in the search bar, click first name, click the value box, click on lead first name, click out of this option, then click Add Item again. In Item 2, click the key drop down. Click the search bar, type in name. Now you're going to select last name, and in the values drop down, click this, then click lead last name. Then click out of these items. Perfect. So now we have the first and last name mapped. Let's add an item for email and phone. Click Add Item. Click the key drop down. Click the search bar, type in phone, click phone number, click the value box, click telephone, click out of this, then click Add Item again. For item 4, we can add the email. Select the key drop down, click the search bar, type in email, click email, click the value box, and now click email. If you want to map additional items, you can do so now. When you're ready to test this new automation, click OK. Click the Save button. Now to test to make sure that everything is working properly, click Run once. Now then go back to the pipeline stage that you entered in this webhook. Click OK, then click Save Changes, and then you can drag and drop a lead card into this stage that has the webhook. Then go back into your scenario. You may need to wait a few minutes before you see the check marks appear by the modules. Once the check marks do appear by the modules, we know that this automation has successfully ran. So if we check HubSpot, we can see that a contact has been created. We can see the name, the email, and the phone number have all been added successfully. We can now confirm that this automation was set up correctly. So if we go back into Make.com, and when you're ready, you can toggle on the scheduling button. Per the default scheduling, the automation will run immediately as data arrives. If you wish to change the schedule, select this option and change to your desired scheduling.